This video is all about coordinates in the first quadrant, and it will help you with the quiz of the same name. So what are coordinates? A coordinate describes an exact point on a grid. It is described by the horizontal, then the vertical position. The axes are the numbered scales on the grid. We have the x-axis going across and the y-axis going up. Coordinates are written with the x-axis number first and then the y-axis. So if we look at this point here, it is 5 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So we write it in brackets as 5, 3. The origin is the coordinate 0, 0, which is here. So how should I write coordinates? So we've got our 5, 3 here in brackets with a comma in between the numbers. The x-axis number is first and the y-axis number is second. You can remember this in different ways. You can remember that x comes before y in the alphabet, or you can remember it is going along the corridor and then up the stairs. Let's look at moving around a grid. You may be asked to follow a path from a starting point to write new coordinates. You need to make sure that you count your steps carefully and make sure that you move in the right direction. Think about the compass points here. When looking at a grid, north will always be up, south down, east right and west left. Let's look at an example question here. Move 2 steps south from the x. What will be your coordinate point? Okay, so we can see where x is. We're going to read the coordinates of that, and they are 6, 6. We count 2 grid lines south or down from 6, 6, which takes us here. And if we read off the axes, I've got 6 on the x-axis, so that goes first, and 4 on the y-axis. Now you could have a go at the quiz.